Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Today I'm super excited because I will finally test out the omnia-oven which I bought recently. You can find in the description the unboxing video which I posted recently, but today I said let's try it out and find out what the hype is all about. Because I bought as well the Omnia muffin ring with the Omnia oven itself. I got this recipe book and the test run will be done with the chocolate peanut butter muffins. So let's see how everything works, and I hope everything will be just delicious. Right at this moment we are not able to go camping, so I prepared in my house a small camping kitchen as we are using it normally while we are camping. So here is the Brunner's outdoor kitchen and as well our camping stove. I already prepared all the ingredients for making the muffins, so let's get started. First, I added a cup of sugar and an egg and mixed everything together. Then I added flour, in which I mixed baking powder and as well cocoa powder, milk and melted butter. You can find the whole recipe in the description of this video. I had to mix everything properly, which is normally pretty easy, but soon you have to film everything. I figured out it can be a bit of a challenge. Finally, everything was prepared, and I started to grease the muffin cups so nothing sticks on the end. Then I had to fill up the cups by 1/3 of the cup, as later I dropped half of a teaspoon of peanut butter and then topped it up with the rest of the butter until about 2/3 of the cups. To make look them a bit better, I added as well some chocolate chips. And now it's time to start baking. I put the Omnia oven to a medium heat and the temperature in the Omnia oven rises to 150 degrees after some short time. Of course, after a while I had to check if all is okay there inside. I was just curious. And then after 40 minutes, I put a knife inside one of the muffins to check if they are ready. So the muffins are now done and they look just amazing. Let's try them out. Look. They look yummy. Very good. So yeah, the muffins turned out just perfect. They are fully baked, so everything was okay. I was baking it on 150 degrees or 300 Fahrenheit for the whole 40 minutes, and that's it. So now I'm going and enjoying my muffins, and I will see you in the next video with maybe some new recipes. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see from me, what I should cook in the Omnia oven. See you, bye!